Have you ever wondered what your audience is talking about you? And is it good or bad? Social listening has been increasingly popular as social media has become popular. 3.78 billion people are on social media. And you know what that means? 3.78 potential users for your product. And if done right, 3.78 billion people can help your brand. And how? That's the major question. Hi everyone, this is Tanmay and in this video we'll be discussing about the fastest growing marketing method, social listening. In this video we'll figure out what is social listening and how can you use social listening to exponentially grow your business. And what are the top 5 tools to utilize social listening. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Social listening is monitoring and analyzing the conversations that you're having on social media, that your customers are having on social media, news, reviews, blog posts, podcasts, so on and so forth. And analyzing this conversation will give you a wide perspective about how your brand is working, how certain products are working. It gives you the actionable insights about the image of the brand that you have created. And it also gives you the knowledge about the competitors' marketing approach and what they are doing, how their products are working in the market as well. You also have the knowledge about the people launching new products in your niche, which is immensely important. While social monitoring is the collecting of data on the social media or the conversations on social media, reviews, YouTube, blog posts, so on and so forth, social listening is a step further. It takes a wider holistic towards this approach of extracting conversation and analyzing it. Not just analyzing it, experiencing it, knowing the empathy, knowing the emotion of the customers, what people are talking about. Because at the end of the day, you want your customer to feel that they are heard, they are taken care of, we are listening, and that's the most important thing. Why do you think we listen to the comment and reply to each and every comment? That is because we want you to feel cared about, we want to take care of you, we want to give our knowledge. And when you are in that process, you need to have empathy, and that's what social listening is sorta about. You have to extract the conversations from social media, blog posts, reviews, whatever you are putting out there, and make sure you analyze the conversations that people are having. Now you would say, why is it so important? Here's why. This brand just launched a new product and it is as outdated gets. I really need to post something shit. Outdated as AF. Posted. What is this product? For 1950s or what?
Oh no dude, this brand really needs to up their game. We are not in 1920s now.
The only thing that I'm buying from this brand is the confidence to launch the shitty products.
Hey guys, our brand is back with another retro product. You love it. Done. What? Not again, dude! Don't they read comments? Holy moly, this brand just don't fucking listen. Hey guys, we are just launching the third set of retro product. You will love it. Posted. This is exactly what happens when you don't listen to your customer. You're launching the products your customers don't care about. Gone are those days when customer used to judge your brand only for the products. Now they judge you for more than that. Nowadays audience prefer much more than product. They want to be heard, they want to be taken care of. After all, the business is all about the customers, right? Right? And yes, they want you to prove it. And all the brands all around the world is getting customer centric. The conversations have increased. People are increased just in terms of talking with their customers. And this is where you need to go. Building the positive relationship with your customers. Follow up on the sales lead. Make sure you resolve maximum complaint issues raised by the customer. Become the part of the customers. Make sure you use your product so you have the knowledge of what kind of problems the customers might face. Let them know that you listen to them. And while doing this, one of the most biggest disadvantage of social listening is don't take each and every comment to your heart. Social media is immensely good place, but at the same time there are so many hatred comments. So make sure you know how to bifurcate real criticism and the hatred comment. The idea is to make your presence, sort their queries. That's it. And if you do this for a longer time, it will stand you apart from the other competitors that you have. Just make sure that you create that trust in the customers. And these are all the intangible benefits of social listening. Let's find some measurable ones now. So when you listen and respond to them, make sure you do this as well. Start building community. When you start building community, people want to be part of that community because you are giving them immense amount of knowledge, value, a feel-good factor that they are the part of this company. Number 2, make smoother path for your customers to put an order. Nobody wants lengthy path to do anything, even success nowadays. And why would they choose a lengthy path just to order stuff from you? Number 3, identify and follow up on leads. Call them. Make sure you personalize the conversation. Number 4, find user generated content, testimonials, review, put it out as a content. Make sure you interview your customers, the most loyal one. Number 5, get insights about the product and services you are selling. Take insights, customers originated ideas. One of the best things one brand did was they took the design from the customers itself and they just sold it as the product. What an amazing idea. The customers felt like they are the part of company, they feel valued, their designs were out there to sell. What can be the biggest gift anyone can have than this? Number 7, get their opinions before launching your product. How can this help their life? What are the status quo of that product? So on and so forth. Interact with your audience, talk, have a Q&A session, call them out, have an Instagram live, so on and so forth. There are so many mediums for you to talk with your customers. Utilize one. And number 8, improve your strategy and advertisement. Cannot explain it further, you know it. And with number 8, make sure you have a positive impact on the customers that you are selling your product to. Always stay ahead of your competition and make sure you are empathic towards your customers. Social listening is all about boosting the customer support and making sure that your customers are taken care of. The more customer centric is the company, the better chances are for that company to grow immensely. And before we go, we promise you the 5 tools that will help you for social listening. Those 5 tools are: number 1, Sprout Social. Number 2, Hootsuite. Number 3 is Buffer. Number 4 is SocialPilot. And number 5 is Later. Not Later, the name is Later. Hope you liked this video and was filled with immense knowledge for you as well. Hope you got to learn something from us. If you do, make sure you comment down below. And if you have any questions related to social listening, make sure you pin it down below and Mavenwit team will be happy to assist you. With that being said, if you need any consultancy just in terms of building brands, advertisements, so on and so forth, Mavenwit team is well and good about it. The link is in the description. Make sure you book your first consultancy call with us, the best marketers. Hit the subscribe button, comment down below what was the best part, what did you like the most. Press the bell icon because we constantly put some of the best contents related to branding, marketing, so on and so forth. And we genuinely hope that you will like it, love it, and get immense knowledge from it. With that being said, this is Tanmay Turtle from Mavenwit, signing off.